for today, it's about fire alarm system. Fire alarm system, it has two types. One, conventional system. Number two, addressable system. Now, this is the difference between the two systems. One conventional, this is an example conventional panel. This panel, it has 4 zones. Each zone, we can install up to 25 devices. Means, 23 smoke detector, 1 sounder, and 1 call point. Now, I'm going to show you the operation of this panel. Take a look of this panel. There is fire indication, silent. Silent, common, fault disabled, and system fault. AC fault and battery fault. Ground fault and delay running test. And program power supply. These are the zone. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 4. And these are the zone fault and test. These are the sounder indication, alarm output, and fault output. Our program, it has disable select test, shift day and night, and output program to enter reset button, mute button, and silent resound button. Evacuation button active and off. And the last one, enable and disable control. Now, let's go to inside the panel. These are the sounder, connection and 4 zone, the delay sounder, and auxiliary supply. Alarm output, default output, and repeater connection. And it has output connection. From the panel, 4 zone, we are going to use 1 zone only. We are going to use zone 1 from negative to positive terminal. Negative will be connected to base terminal number 3. Okay? Number 3, the positive terminal will be connected to base terminal number 1. The configuration of the smoke detector number 1 is the input, number 2 is the output, number 3 and 4 is the ground. Number 1, terminal number 2 will go to second base. Okay. Terminal number 1, terminal number 3 will be connected to terminal number 3. Output of the second base terminal number 2 will goes to call point terminal number 11. Number 3 will goes to call point terminal number 12. Call point terminal number 1 will goes to third base terminal number 1. Call point terminal number 2 will goes to third terminal. To the last detector, we have to put 4.7K terminating resistor between terminal number 2 and number 3. Okay, go to the installation and operational. Now, we will do the installation and the connection of the sounder. From the sounder terminal, positive to negative. Going to sounder D1, D2. We are going to connect power cord to the system. Already done the complete installation of this fire alarm system. Now, we are going to test, we will show you how to operate the system. Smoke detector. When there's a fire, it will inform the panel to activate. Sounder will activate to inform the people for evacuation, so it means to say there's a fire. Call point. The function of this call point is to give information once you press to all people for its floor.
Let's see the smoke detector. I will try to smoke and let's see what happens.
Go to the call point. Let's press the call point. Let's see what happened. What happened? After pressing the call point, the result the system zone 1 will inform to the panel. Okay. Smoke detector. When there's a fire, it will inform the panel to activate. Sounder will activate to inform the people for evacuation. So it means to say there's a fire. And call point. Call point, the function of this call point is to give information once you press to all people for its floor. I hope you learned more how to operate this conventional fire alarm system. If you have any question regarding conventional fire alarm system, please contact us 0943 064 8820. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming new video. And don't forget to like and comment down below. Bye-bye!